Abby, me tell you something?
You never say nothing, Shawna?
What me tell you, say Abby?
You need to tell me, say, Angel at a third wheel.
Me tell you that? What's up, guys? It's Pokemon stuff. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, when I've been asked you a long time, when I asked you, so today is the day I'm gonna drop a prank. Okay? At the first in a long time since the whole COVID business start. All of my sisters ended together. Well, not really all of them, because most of them know some have 5 sisters. Some of them don't know, and not really all of them. Right now, AJ cried 3 more in my intro, but I can't put him in my intro because today, me going to pull a prank for my sister them. So basically, how it go, I go talk bad about Angel, because she just come back today. She just come today, and Abby just come today too. I go talk bad about Angel in front of Abby to see if Abby would have tell Angel. Wanna get it? So anyways, if you don't want to see the video there, smash the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S links gonna be done in the description. Also guys, road to 20,000 subscribers. Guys, if you're watching my video and subscribe right now, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a next friend to tell a next friend to tell an ex-boyfriend to come subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so give it a like and something. So we're gonna see, basically this is like the loyalty test. So we're gonna see who I be loyal to most. You should I tell Angel, or should I just keep it a secret between us? You understand what I'm trying to say? So let's get it. Let's go. Mind you, everything I say is just fun and joke, okay? Because I love all of my sisters them. I don't know that already. So everything I say just for entertainment purposes only. So please nobody drag or bash nobody down in the comments, guys. It's only for entertainment purposes. Okay, guys? Thank you. Yeah, guys. So right now, oh, this full of fab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call her on Abby and start chatting magic about Angel. That's what you're going to tell her, guys. So let's get it. Let's go. On the door, man, guys. So I come and I can't afford, even though I'm catching up on quarantine, I can't afford to get big and fat, you know what I'm saying? Baby girl, you got to look good and thing. So what am I going to do? That's why I have my waist train. I don't mind, guys. I have to train my waist. It's 2K20. Anyways, more workouts at daytime and something like that. So if you don't want to see a little quarantine workout routine at home, comment down below and I got you. Okay, so let's get it. So I can't drink no water. So I can't try to drink no water. For the hear AJ more, guys, don't mind me. They're running in our room on this so. Abby! Abby!
Yes.
So your answer me so strong and I mean you're my white fowl, you know?
You can't name my white phone.
You see that I'm not chat to you now, okay? Always have attitude. You're already. You brush your teeth this morning? You come and kiss your teeth like you're hungry. Hungry people don't kiss teeth, you know?
Me hungry.
Hungry people don't kiss teeth because they have to support the overnight food. You eat honey?
No, me hungry.
Yeah, Abby, you're always hungry, Abby. And that's time. Yeah, you're dirty baby. You're always hungry, Abby. I say government son of turn on here. I can't give you a gun about them things. You're always hungry. That's some slim tea you need. Oh. But you're hungry. Anyways. I have a question for you.
Speak a man for hold your peace.
You have to give me an honest answer, do you know? You have to give me an honest answer. Honest answer. You ready?
Speak a man.
Yes, I know. Talk to me if you speak my mind. What do you think about Angel? What do you think about Angel?
I don't know about that.
What do you mean? You don't think? What do you think about her?
I don't know about that.
You know what me think about her?
What?
I wish say, I mean I said this with all of my heart, I wish say daddy never have her. What?
Shawna.
What? Abby? Angel annoying sometimes, girl. She annoying sometimes. Bad. I wish
And your
say-
sister, you know?
So what? I wish say daddy never have her. You know feel like sometimes I wish I did just me and you. But with daddy side.
No.
You know you're not like Angel, so stop. We said that never have her sometimes because she annoying girl. And then every when me do everything me do, she either she a copy me or she a itch up at me. I don't like her again. I don't like her. She annoying bad. Sometimes I wish she had never sister. I don't even know when she come down here for today.
You can't say that.
I say it.
So from when you feel so?
For a long time. We just never know say if I say it or what. But we can't keep it no more. Can't keep it. It just stay heavy for my heart. And that's why I grow fat road my heart. I can't keep it no more. Sometimes I just wish that she never come down here.
You can't say that, Shawna.
You got tell me what I can't say? Are your teeth and tongue? She annoying girl. I mean I know. Everybody says she favor me and she don't look like she favor monkey. You know then eerie looking. What then
So, question.
baboon and so she look.
So is she a monkey? You don't want to. You turn the favor, you know?
Alright, stop it right so. Stop it. Me and not love favor. Me and not, you don't see me look.
You look ugly.
Don't bright yourself for me to start by you. Angel is the one that ugly. Angel must say ugly.
She not ugly. It just that in full of too much ear.
So you agree that she ugly?
No.
You agree, Abby.
Shawna better agree. It's just that she have so many years on his skin. And me not have the year on my skin.
Oh, so you're jealous?
Me not jealous.
So we are compared to you for? You see, me know you don't like her today, just as you are. But you don't like her. Because you tell me say you don't like her.
You never hear me say I don't like her.
Abby, you don't have to say it in full words. You just have to say it a while ago. We can't read behind you when you try to say that. We still say you don't like her. We know a long time. I felt.
Put on again.
No, but for true, man, Abby. Sometimes I just wish say about daddy never have her. Because just look at if daddy never have Angel, you know that just be us, the Campbell sister. Now you have the Campbell sister plus a third. No want that. Everywhere we go. With Angel.
You stick up it. If you are say, you will say that I never have she. Remember, say me not live here now, and then you want, well, that day here, I go want the company, and me not go come here. You stick up in. Let me finish that.
And that with you now in the
Stop
chair.
it eyes. No, stop it eyes. Me tapping, me keep my mouth shut and make a chat. Feel me time now, keep your mouth shut.
Hey!
Shut up.
Abby, listen to me.
Done.
Abby, stop it.
Shut up. You want the company and you make sure say you call her
And
she
me
come
and you talk
here.
around me and you on the word. Where are raise the voice, sir?
And you gonna say about oh
We are raising
you
voice,
don't
sir.
like her?
Where are raise the voice, sir? And me and you talk, if me didn't want the world no would I go to the end more. And that with uno now, people, that's why people not tell you things. Imagine me sitting right there, so I confide in you and you raise them. Then you come, hi, don't talk. This is not AJ. This is Shawna K.
Excuse you.
Do
Not
Ali.
involve my child in this.
No, because you talk to
Don't
me like me a child.
involve my child in this.
You talk to me like me a child. That's why, you know, I don't chat with you. I don't chat. That's why I don't walk and tell you nothing. I don't talk with you.
Nothing to tell you. Shawna chat you. Say she not like you and she wish you never born. Yeah, fall back her too much. She don't like no tail.
That's why she wish me never born.
Yes.
So much she never tell me to my face.
She afraid that you can have and them in your head. So she'll say everywhere she go and people are ask her for you. She want to be in the spotlight, not you. Yes, you have to take the spotlight from her.
Really? So she said nothing else?
She'll say, she will say, I just ran her alone that they have. And you
So-
make it.
You can't do nothing?
No.
Only in there. Eh?
Nothing.
So I'm sitting in there now, do nothing. So you help him suffer, Angel?
What you tell her be in a while ago?
Me tell Abby something?
What you and I did that talk about a while ago?
Abby, me tell you something? I'm so scared. Abby, me tell you something?
You never say nothing, Shawna?
What me tell you, say Abby?
You didn't tell me, say, Angel at a third wheel.
Me tell you that?
She said you have to take the spotlight from her. And everywhere she go, they might ask her for you and she don't like it. And she say, you never born her, come here.
Abby, no, you tell me, say we say Angel never born.
Gee, that's your life on me.
I'm so scared. Abby, me not sit down in here and do abs. You see me have a motion, I'm sitting down in here and do abs. And you tell me, say you want to talk to me, and me say talk, and you tell me, say we say Angel never born.
If you don't have wear shoes,
Me not need to have on shoes like house, I have my water buckle and my waist.
Shawna,
I'm scared. Abby, you lying, no girl?
you sit down here so and I tell me say we say Angel never born.
Me tell you that, Abby.
Yes,
How much one I'm not telling lie?
she.
Who you believe? Angel, you know me not chat you. You know me not chat you, Angel.
But tell me what she said.
She say, me sit down in here. I do my abs then, daily workout, whatever. And she say she want to get slim too. And I say, all you need is some slim tea. Because me I try to be funny. And then same time she say, slim tea, you know, and then same time she bring up your name and something. And me I say, oh, Angel reaching out. And she say, because you're maga. So maybe you are doing slim tea. And I say, top chatting girl around here. And whatever, and she start chatting about your third week.
I
I'll be tapping
like.
nice.
She sit down here say, I ask me what me think about you. So I say, what you talk about? She say, she don't like you. Can you, actually she never come down here because you're a third wheel. No make a girl fool you.
Abby, you did say all of that.
Not tell her like for me.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen. When I'm a big woman, and I'm a sister, so I should sit down and talk.
Me not chat to your girl. Me in here I do my abs, my daily workout routine. She is the one who bring you up, Angel. So you gotta say, who you believe?
I pick the argument, this one be like little picnic.
So you big?
Una little picnic,
I
so me being, una big woman and sit down and have conversation and chat people, which is me.
So you believe so me did that chat
Me
to
don't believe none of you.
It's Abby did that chat to Angel. You know me not tell them things right.
Wow!
You see, I tell her say, you, it was a follow
That's what
back.
I say. Una big one, I should sit down and chat because una have a sister there for, and anyone say that I can go back and me and daddy come here this evening, and at least my come here
So
and
go on.
chat me.
So go on now.
You see,
So
I want to chat you now.
So what make
Listen,
you around me?
because
Yes, I want to chat you now.
Abby did say, whenever you say you love, say you love run guy yard. Abby say whenever you say you guy yard, me must tell you say so go on. So me tell you say so go on. You have to talk the truth. Abby, that's how you have to talk the truth.
You're too lie.
Una wicked.
Like brute.
Two una wicked.
Yes. Abby, you have to stop walk and tell lie. Stop walk.
She laugh.
Me not laughing.
Let me
me?
Every day me the back of you. Every day me the
So I
back of
didn't see that I now work.
you. She don't really come over here.
Oh, so you believe say me said.
Yes.
Yeah, always I tell the pitney that.
Me a follow back of you. So me can never tell me say me a follow back of you and you don't like it and me turn on me yard.
It was just a prank. It was a loyalty test prank. Prank it one.
Who laugh last, always laugh best.
I will shut up.
Make me.
It was a loyalty test. You say me have a chat on the same. I do what I tell. And you a look with hypocrite. You. She did not defend you doing an angel, but all you have to imagine me come up before angel and you go on angel side. So that means me can't tell you nothing and you don't say something. You go chat. Me know one of my supporters them would chat. Me know one of them would talk. Me say me make sure I have the camera out the door and you come in here inform. You. It's alright.